Can't find the words for your pain? Don't worry, Allah already knows what's in your heart.
يعلم في السماوات
He knows whatever is in the heavens and the earth. And He knows whatever you conceal and whatever you reveal. For Allah knows best what is hidden in the heart. Sometimes, we feel something so deeply that words just can't describe it. The sadness, the love, the confusion. But this verse is a comfort. Allah knows it all, what you show and what you hide. Even when no one else understands your silence or tears, He does. You don't need to explain your heart to Him. He created it. So when you're feeling misunderstood, when the weight gets heavy, talk to Allah, or stay silent. Either way, He hears you. Comment, He knows my heart, if this verse touched you broken heart sparkling heart. Share with someone who feels unseen right now. Follow for more Quranic reminders that speak to your soul.